Hello guys, I will be showing you how to maintain your CRM 3120C. So every after ship or after operation, we do backflashing. So the procedure for backflashing, you have to put the silicone pad on the portafilter ng at least 3 to 5 times ng 10 seconds, 10 seconds. So after ng isa, pangalawang 10 seconds, pangatlo, pang-apat, pang-limang 10 seconds. And then take note, 10 seconds lang. Hindi pwedeng sumobra 10 seconds kasi may tendency na mag-explode yung group head natin. And then you can remove the portafilter. And then rinse. So same, left and right group head. Same procedure, lagay yung silicone pad sa portafilter. And then manual shot ng 10 seconds. So both group head at least 3 to 5 times. So after we backflash, brushin natin yung group head natin to maintain cleanliness. Left and right group head, brushin natin siya para malinis. And after we brush it, ang pinaka-last procedure nyo for the group head is wipe it with wet cloth or dry cloth. Punasan natin na maigi yung group head. And after we clean the group head, ang next nyo naman nalilinisin is yung steaming natin. So for the steam naman, how to clean the steaming nozzle or steaming tip natin. So you can remove both steam nozzle, left and right. And once na-remove nyo siya, pwede nyo siyang ibabad sa mainit na tubig. And then make sure dapat itong lahat ng butas, yung 4 na butas or yung hole, kailangan nakikita nyo siya once napat nyo siya sa lights. Or, pwede nyo gawin guys, balik nyo yung steaming nozzle. Guys, pwede kayo mag-froth ng just water lang. So, tubig lang siya. Yan, froth nyo siya para malinis lang yung steaming tip or yung steaming nozzle natin. And then after, don't forget to wipe it also with wet cloth or dry cloth. And then after we clean the steaming one, the group head, turn it off. And then release the steam pressure. So kailangan wala nang matirang air pressure sa machine natin. And then for the machine, we do have maintenance which is the descaling. So si descale, ginagawa siya every once a month ni machine. Ang procedure niya, I have here the descaling powder and then the citric acid scooper. Meron tayo sa tabi niya ng at least 5 liter ng gallons of water. Maglalagay tayo ng at least 10 to 15 scoop ng citric acid. And then once ma-dissolve na yung citric acid sa gallons of water, ang next natin na gagawin is i-flush out natin siya sa lahat. So from the left and then the right group head, and then from the left and then right steam. And pinaka-last yung hot water. Flushing, kailangan pinoportionize nyo siya para lahat ng mga pipes na dadaanan. From the manual shot for the extraction, single shot, double shot, long single, long double. Same sa right group head, manual shot, single shot, double shot, long single, and then long double. And then yung dalawang steam natin, left and right steam. And then ang pinaka-last is yung hot water. Make sure na proportion natin yung gallons of water na merong citric acid. And then once maubos yung water gallons with citric, ang next procedure natin, rinse or banlaw, just pure water lang. So same procedure, flushing out sa lahat from the left to the right group head, and then left to the right steam, and then sa hot water. So ubusin natin yung 5 liter ng water gallon. So water lang siya. So ang banlaw natin is at least twice. Total of 3 siya, isang with citric, dalawang just water lang. And then once matapos na yung pinaka-last na rinse natin for the descale, that's all for the maintain. You can off na siya, left and right, then the switch. So yun na yung pinaka-maintenance for the machine natin.